Good morning. It is Friday, December 1st. Rabbit. Um, I am off work today, which was a surprise at the end of the day last night. Yesterday was tough for me. I don't know what was going on. I have a good idea of what was going on, and I have a good plan on how to fix it. So, if it happens, I'll talk about it. If not, I'll move on. Right now, I am at the UPS store. Where is it? Right there. For Brandon. I have some things to send to him. So, they're on their way, Brandon. And I need to keep videos short and sweet. Great thing happened. Katie Carney, who is on YouTube, she has her own channel, and I will put her information below. And I will also put right here, I have to do this so I remember, a link to her channel because she's pretty cool, and she lives in her car sometimes, and right now she's living with a friend. But I think I won something from her, this little like giveaway she did of things that she has. And if I didn't, that's great, but she was going to email me, and I haven't checked my email. So I'm going to do that after I get this done at UPS, and then I have a ton of stuff to do today, so I may come back with little clips of what I'm doing throughout the day and then upload this at the end of the day. I'm trying to get caught up, and then I also have some Flashback Fridays to upload, and yeah, I'm going to keep going. So check out my GoFundMe. I really want to start on my yoga venture. So, you know, I'm working full time. This money isn't going to anything but my yoga class. So it's under Aaron Wadsworth. And you can find it on Facebook under Aaron Wadsworth, or my Instagram at eTiffanyLou, or yeah, just go on GoFundMe and search. It is for a 200-hour yoga course. And then, of course, I'm on Patreon. I think I'm Wads Wanderer on there, but it's also, I think you can search it by Aaron Wadsworth. And today, that's on my list of things to do, to list out exactly like what gifts I'm going to give away out of my crafting abilities for your contributions to my venture in life, which is to bring peace, happiness, yoga, and fun into my life, into other people's lives, and also travel at the same time. And I also have some other things that I'm going to kind of try to do. So I'm feeling great today, and I needed the day off, and I'm really appreciative for it. So I'm going to do everything I can today that I need to get done, laundry, etc. And then I'll be fresh to go Monday for work. So happy 3-day weekend for me, and peace out. Talk to you in a minute. Good evening, friends. This will hopefully be my last video on my iPhone 7. I did upgrade to an 8 today, which I know isn't much of an upgrade. However, I had to do it because my phone was going bazoinks. I don't know what was going on, but I did crack the screen and then had it replaced, and then cracked it again. And the second time, I think I messed with, like, I'm going to show my age, the motherboard somewhere, I don't know, inside of my little computer here. I killed something when I dropped it. So went to AT&T, got an 8, and I am already happy with it. However, I'm still waiting for everything to go from the cloud on this phone to that one, because we kind of did it a quick way at AT&T store. So until I had access to everything over on that 8, on my 8 phone, and I say over on that because it's over there, I'll show it to you. You can see what my phone looks like. So this is my phone normally. Yes, I have the moon as my background, and I use military time all the time. And yeah, and then I have this case on the back, and of course my little poppy uppy thing so I can text without giving myself further carpal tunnel. And yeah, I really like this little I don't know if like anybody has one or what they think, but I really like my little pop-up. What do they call it? I know it has a name because I almost bought an attachment for the car today, but it was $10 and I have one. I'm really becoming kind of more simple in my thinking. A pop socket. So anyway, my pop socket, I love it. And so yeah, I do like the phone. It has more memory, but no changing camera or anything. I did look at the what is it? Shit, if I don't remember the name, but the something 360 camera. Was it a Samsung 360 something? Anyway, it was a cute little camera, like that big, and probably would have been perfect. But I needed the storage on my phone, so it was either trade my 7 that I'm on right now and get another 7 with the same memory, because either way, with the camera, I was going to have to use my phone. And then also, I wasn't going to be able to see myself when I videoed, and I had an issue with that. Kill me. So, anyway, I got my little buddy here. Hi, little buddy. I got this little buddy here. Hi, little buddy. I'm just like surrounded by my buddies. Yeah. Hi, buddies. Oh, she's sneezing. I don't know why. If somebody can tell me why my cat's sneezing, please let me know. Huh. I don't know why. She's eating okay and everything else is fine. So I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, I did that and then came home and did some bills and stuff. So just a life day. And I liked it. Kind of refreshing. Got some peace of mind. So gonna continue my weekend, and I will chit chat with you tomorrow. It's Mom Day tomorrow, so we get to go shopping and have fun. So peace, love, and happiness, people. Love ya.